What's good, YouTube? Hope all is well with you. The Valiant Sense coming at you once again with another fragrance review. This is part 3 of the English Laundry display series, if you will, the new display series moving forward. Shout out to all of my subscribers. Please continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe as we continue on the fragrance journey. I don't know what it is about today. Maybe I'm just more upbeat because I'm reviewing during the day instead of at night. But I'm enjoying this day, I'm enjoying myself, and we are into part 3 of this series. Now, coming up now is probably the most talked about, most reviewed probably of these 4 fragrances. And I would say notably so, respectably so, because it is the most versatile. And that is, again, from the house of English Laundry. This is Crown. Now, this one is the most versatile because although I could rock this in the warm weather, I could also rock this in the cold weather. And actually, on the top notes, you could say warm weather, but mid and dry down, I would probably prefer to do this in the cold weather. It still has warm weather notes, but the way that this one is blended, it can work in the cold weather so easily. And I would prefer to just save this one for the cold weather, but I'm gonna go ahead and review it for as part of this series. But this is, again, Crown from English Laundry. Main accords are warm spicy, key indicator right there, aromatic, lavender, fresh spicy, citrus, green, fruity, fresh, woody, and musky. So I mean, that's a jack of all trades if it were to hold up to that, just by way of those notes. Now we go to the actual note breakdown, and we have apple, lemon, and green leaves and herbal notes and grapefruit on the top. And then we have lavender, aromatic notes, cardamom, clove, ginger, geranium, and rose on the mid. And then we have musk, cedar, tonka bean, oak moss, patchouli, and amber on the dry down. I can tell you right off the bat, I don't get all of those notes, but you're just gonna have to trust me. There we go. This one is versatile. None of the times that I smelled this, oh, an alcohol blast. Yeah, the times that I've worn this and smelled it, I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, the apple comes out. I don't get that much of the lemon. I do get a little bit of green notes, definitely herbal. I don't get any grapefruit from this. Middle notes, lavender, definitely get the lavender. It is aromatic as well. And then the cardamom, there's a slight cardamom and slight cloves in this. I kind of get both of those a little bit. The ginger and geranium, I'm gonna say no, I don't get those. The rose, I'm gonna say no as well, but I really wish rose was shining through on this fragrance, I really do. But then I get the musk on the dry down, I get the cedar wood, I do get some tonka bean, and I don't get oak moss, but I do get some patchouli and a little bit of amber. So this whole thing, the whole time on my skin is dancing around with all of these notes. Like I said, not all of them I can get, but because I would say mainly because of the tonka bean and the patchouli and a little bit of amber on the dry down, the cardamom and the cloves in the mid, this can definitely work for the colder weather, and I probably prefer to do it in the colder weather as well. Maybe summer nights, but mostly it's gonna be spring nights, fall nights, and even in the winter time. This would be a good alternative in the cold weather to your sweet, rich, heavy, dark fragrances. Rock something that's a little more fruity, a little more green, but still works in the cold weather. Definitely one that I would say is the most versatile, and it's probably why of this series you probably have heard more about Crown than you've heard about any of the other fragrances that I'm reviewing here. So once again, this is from the house of English Laundry. This is Crown. I appreciate once again all of my subscribers. Please continue to like, had to smell again, comment, share, and subscribe as we continue to push forward with these videos and this fragrance journey. I'm hoping the natural light is working for you guys for this temporary time that I'm using just natural light, because that's all I have for indoors right now. So let me know if it is dimming the quality of the video or not. Again, it's only temporary till I get this lighting fixed here. But believe until you stop breathing. Once again, this is the Valiant Sense. Again, appreciate all of my subscribers. Please continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.